So, y'all, why did my smoothie look just like the clay? Why? I tried making a green smoothie this morning and it really tastes like I might as well just chopped up grass and banana and just, I want to be healthy and it's just not good. Green smoothies just aren't good. Okay. Hey curl friends, it's me, naturalysage. Welcome back to my channel. As you could probably tell from the intro, today's video is going to be a clay mask video. So let's go over some of the things that I'm going to be using. Obviously, I'm going to be starting with some clay. So this is the one that I got. I'm going to go ahead and link all these things down below as well. The thing y'all saw just fly out of my bin is my bowl. I have just a plastic bowl and a plastic tablespoon. So I'm using plastic today, but you can use ceramic or glass, just not metal, because Aztec clay is going to activate in the metal, and then by the time you put it on your hair, it's not going to have some of the same benefits. So make sure you're using plastic, ceramic, or glass, and then you want to add a liquid. So a lot of people like water, but I today want to use some apple cider vinegar because I just had some bantu knots in that I put a lot of product on my hair and it's been a couple days, so I really want to make sure that I'm cleansing my hair and getting all that buildup off so I can go ahead and deep condition after. So the next thing that we're going to add is a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but castor oil is just my favorite when it comes to wash day. I love adding it to deep conditioners, and this mask. So let's get started. Okay, so I won't be doing any perfect measurements. I'm gonna start with 5 scoops of the clay and then slowly add the vinegar until it kind of gets like a yogurt consistency. Oh no, my apple cider vinegar is definitely expired. Oh gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and get some water because this is obviously not safe. The clay mask is not for the weak. Do not do it if you can't deal with the mess. If you plan on doing a clay mask, plan on a bit of a mess. Now I will say the good thing about doing the clay mask is you can skip your shampoo because the minerals in the clay are supposed to draw out impurities in your hair and kind of help with your scalp health and help remove that buildup. So you can skip that step, but you're still gonna have to deep condition after. This is where I'm at right now. I can go ahead and add my oil. Towel. I am gonna go get myself a towel because I'm already making a mess. My first step was going to be to grab my handy dandy mister and then mist my hair, but I just feel like it might be smarter to just hop in the shower and give my hair a nice rinse because first of all, I'm sweating anyway, so I kind of wouldn't mind getting in the shower. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and kind of finger detangle it in the shower, so it's gonna be a lot easier to apply the clay. I'm gonna do anything I can in order to apply this clay easily because I really want this process to go seamlessly. Okay. I'm tired. Now that my hair is nice and detangled and nice and wet, I'm ready to start applying the bentonite clay. Like I said before, you also have the option of using a spray bottle, but I would definitely recommend wetting your hair no matter what process you want to use. So this is my hair with absolutely no product. I didn't co-wash or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and treat this just like I would treat any other deep conditioner. I'm gonna take my product, work it into my hands, and then rake it into my hair. And once I have this section completely coated, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it back off so I can keep it out of the way and work on the next sections. Okay, y'all, just a little PSA. If you are planning on detangling your hair while you apply the mask, make sure that you're just detangling gently with your fingers. Because you guys know I'm all about retaining length, and part of that is minimizing breakage. If you're using a product like clay that's drying and you're also detangling with a brush, it's just not going to be good for your hair. We know that slip helps us detangle and helps us minimize breakage, and clay is like the opposite of that. So just keep that in mind and be mindful that your hair might be more dry than normal if you were just applying a deep conditioning mask. Before I go into some of the benefits of bentonite clay and some of the reasons why I chose to use it, I just want y'all to know that just like with any other product when you're trying it, there's no guaranteed results. I've seen tons of people have really positive experiences, and I've seen others have not so great ones when it comes to the bentonite clay. So just keep that in mind. I always want to do what's best for my hair, and I always want to try to keep it in its most healthy and natural state. And one of the ways I've been doing that lately is by switching out some of my everyday products with more natural options. So when I read up on bentonite clay and found out that it's a great clarifier and that it draws out impurities from your hair, I figured it would be the perfect replacement for some of the shampoos that I've been using. I want to explain to you guys what I actually mean when I say that bentonite clay draws out the impurities of your hair. Not to get all Bill Nye the Science Guy on you, but bentonite clay contains negatively charged molecules. Most of the toxins that we see or interact with daily are positively charged molecules. So when you mix the clay with water or your apple cider vinegar, it produces an ionic pull that removes the toxins and the impurities from your hair or your skin or your scalp, which is really great for the overall health of your hair. Some other benefits of bentonite clay include defining those curls, enhancing shine and elasticity, as well as softening and conditioning your hair, which ultimately is going to help with manageability. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure yet if this is a win. I won't know until I take my hair down, but right now, I'm actually kind of glad that I didn't use the apple cider vinegar because that dries out my hair, and my hair right now is dry. Like, so I'm hoping that when I rinse my hair out that my hair is gonna feel clean and not too dry. I'm a little nervous right now, but we're already in it, so well. This is what my hands look like. Also, you guys, please just look at this. Like I said, this is not gonna be an in and out, one and done thing. Like, you're gonna have powder places, you're gonna have clay in places that you didn't even know existed. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you see? Can you tell what's happening? Okay, I am so pleased with these results, you guys. I was scared this entire time. My hands were dry, my skin was a little dry, my hair was dry. But once I actually got the clay out of my hair, I could just feel the definition and feel the water kind of just slipping off my hair. Oh my gosh, this seems like something I would want to add to my regimen, but not too often, because like I said, it can be drying, so you don't want to mess around too often with products that can be drying for your hair. So next steps now is just to go in and deep condition my hair. I'm going to give myself a nice little break because, you know, I deserve it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get the courage to try a bentonite clay mask, because I know it looks funny. Like, I looked at so many videos before I was doing this video, and I was just worried the entire time. Like, people's hair did look defined, but it also looked dry sometimes. So I was worried to try it, and I'm really excited I did. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I've noticed that so many of y'all are coming in watching my videos, but you're not subscribed. Come on, come in, join the family, curl friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Sage. And then you won't miss any curl content, any natural hair information, and this positive energy, baby, okay?